right section. Not only is this one a half, this one is also an offset half. So we have to kind of look at our cutting plane line. And let me get a marker here, highlighter, see if it helps you some. So my cutting plane for this particular one is right along here, comes to here. It offset and comes back to here. So I'm looking, and this is the area where it cuts through. It cuts through here, cuts through here, here, and it does not cut through anything over here. So we're looking at those particular things. So we are going to start off by, well, of course, projecting everything over and drawing the part that we see. Drawing everything nice and lightly, just drawing it across. Okay, so I know the cutting plane does not cross in any way, shape, or form on this side. So it's going to be the exact same as what we see over here in this view. So let's go ahead and start by drawing. And I'm going to block it in here. So I look and I go, okay, well this one doesn't change any different. It comes back the total length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. So I'm starting off by blocking in, and I'm just going to recreate and redraw the reverse image of it. So it has a little arc here that comes over to here, and then arcs down, comes up, and of course I have my hidden lines here. Okay. So I'm going to come in. And I'm only doing the half part that I know that I can see right now, because I know it might help you be able to see the next part here. If we draw the part that we know would be normal, what we would normally see. And I have a center line here. I have hidden lines here. There's the part that we can see. We can't see, but we need to know that it's there. It's important. We have little holes coming through here, so we have hidden lines right there. Center line. Hidden line. So we've gotten this part of it. Essentially, now this side should look like the other side, but missing hidden lines, because we are cutting through all the areas that are represented with hidden lines. Okay, so if I'm drawing that, I know my outside is to here, comes to there. I know I have those little curves. If I go back and just look at the example again, where do I have my curves? I have my little curves right there. And then we're cutting through here, so that's a hole that's open. So it's no longer going to be a hidden line. It's going to be a nice, good, solid, visible line. Using my 0.9, so it's nice and dark. Same thing with right here. That's a hole that we've drilled through. So we see that cut edge. Then I come back, and I have a center line there. And now I need to draw all of my hatches. My hatch is only going to go in the areas that have been affected, that have been cut. And it's kind of hard for me to do because I can't push this over and get past the camera. But then you just continue cutting here. So we would have hatch here, 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 but not in the areas that are open. We do not have any hatching on this side because that's a half. It's a half section, cross section. Now, what we do need to draw is we do need to show that those lovely little the webs are the ribs that come off of it here, they're like little web pieces here, and all that is plan to connect the dots. Let's line it up to edge and connect. All right. Next, we're going to work on, I'm going to show you how to draw the next one.